Hi everyone, with another video, and this is very simple and easy method. I think this is the most easiest method on my channel. And now I'm going to show you. Here we need a magnet. It's just only 1 mm. You can order online or maybe near your store if it's open. You can find this magnet. It's just only 1 mm. If you see, the thickness is not thin, not very thick. It's very thin. Just 1 mm. New antiquity with the stone magnet, and here we need to make it together. Just simple. Here, key. Almost not very middle, but slightly middle to the field. And we take 2 more magnets. And here you can see. Like this. Okay, and then you need one activated SIM card, and then you can place in the middle, just like that. The cutting area, the SIM cutting area should be on the top and in the middle. And now might be thinking this is can move or something, right? I have a solution. You don't have to put some glue on your phone, or don't have to stick with the tape, because I worry for your phone. You don't want scratching on your phone. So the simple way is, we have a plastic cover, plastic case. You can just put the plastic case slightly and nicely from down or from top. For example, you can see here. Just like that. Now you can see everything is down, fixed, so you don't have to worry. And the same in the middle. And then you need a paper clip. You can stick it just as an antenna. Take 2 paper clips, just like that. Very simple. So actually many people, they ask me what is the theory method between. I want to tell you the Wi-Fi signal, the radio signal, the satellite signals, the TV cable antenna signals is everywhere surrounding us, and that signal is actually hardware based, but we control it by the software. If we can bypass the software and straight go to the hardware, we can get it. I hope you can find, I hope you can get idea what kind of method it is. And now you can see the magnetic waves. You know, the ultrasound, the magnetic, we have in our mobile phones, there is a magnet. Why? Because of the speaker. The motor, they have magnet. So magnetic waves is using a lot of stuff, a lot of things. So let's here. I want to show you now. Currently, okay. Now I'm on the phone, and now you can see here. Let me zoom out slightly, and yeah, here. And you can see here all the things are turned on. I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn off the location and Bluetooth. So let me, okay. Now you can see background app. I'm going to close all the background app. There is no recent item. Okay, and I'm gonna put phone here. It's much better. So you can check everything is turned back. No recent app on the background, and everything as it is. Let's start from the speed test. As I try to do, speed test can show what is the speed, and there is an airplane mode, as you can see, and behind is working. Wow, 50 MB speed. Do thumbs up for that. In the first attempt, yes. So you guys can see quite nice speed. Sometime I get with a different method, maybe 20 MB, sometime even 10 MB, but this method It's very easy and nice, and I think you all guys can get it easily, and you can see perfect. Let's try on some other app, like for example YouTube, and here I'm gonna search something like free internet at home. Okay, free internet at home, and here you're gonna see my video. Here is my video, and then you can go check on my channel. There's a playlist and there's a internet, and you can check here. There's a lot of videos for free internet. You can choose what method you can like and easy for you, but for me I think this is the most easiest way. I always recommend use it as an educational purpose, demonstration for educational purpose only, and I always recommend buy internet, don't steal, but only for emergency condition. You should to have knowledge, and there is no guarantee it will work with all brands, because there is hundreds brands in the market all over the world with Chinese companies, and you know, so I didn't trust all because everyone have a different radio system and different chips, but I think it should be work most of them. So hope you like the video, and now you can see here, for example, I'm going to Google search, and here like BBC News, you can see the browser is working, App Store working. Let me do the App Store, and then I can download some apps. So you can see everything is just perfect. Browser loading in front of you, everything from up to down. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, just click some more link like here. Yeah, perfect. So let me try download some games, simple small game like Candy Crush maybe. It's just I'm gonna try install, and here you can see everything as it is in front of you downloading, and here you can see it's gonna start download very fast. Okay, cancel it because I don't want it. Let's try something, some more game, farm heroes, blah blah. Okay, let's try here. So guys, the thing is very simple and easy method. You should to know for emergency case. Don't know because currently the internet have a lot of load, a lot of users, so might be if any crash, any something, you should to have some kind of satellite internet maybe or local internet. I don't know, I don't want to explain. Actually you get it internet from where. Here the signal is everywhere surrounding us. Because of some limitation and some conditions, I can't explain everything on my channel. Might be I can tell you on the comment section. So if any question you can ask me, and here you can see everything is just in front of you. Okay, for example, now I'm going to, you can see here everything is, hold on, I just, okay, here you can see everything. I'm going to bring out, okay, you can see everything is come out, and here you can see I can after airplane mode turn on, and now I want to show you, for example, now I want to show you, let's try without this thing, is work or not. Okay, exactly same, you can see airplane mode is on, and let's try, everything is in the still background, so I didn't close it yet. Let's open App Store before I download, and now I again try, you are offline, boom, because the internet is out already. So I explain now, for example, this is the app, the browser I opened last. So let's click on something, no internet, you can see. Again, let's go to the back, because these things, let's try again. Okay, these apps already in the background should be, everything is saved, right? Because many people sometimes they're thinking, oh, maybe I uploaded before, or maybe I just reloaded or preloaded, but you can see I don't close everything, everything is in the background. You can see there's no internet because the internet is here. I try my best to explain all of my video maximum that you guys can get information, and for in case if you don't do it, you can share with your friend and family. So if you have one person, it's like you helping a lot of, you get blessing a lot. So help who need it. And still I will tell you, buy internet, don't steal it. This is only for educational purpose, or in case for emergency condition, you are somewhere, you are stuck at home, like currently we are stuck at home, and sometime we don't know internet gonna be stop in any serious condition. I wish and pray for everyone. Stay home, stay blessed, stay safe. See you, take care, bye bye, thumbs up.